everyone, I am here with my next video of iterative construct in Java. In this, I want to consider few numbers that as twin prime number. Actually, twin prime numbers were the two numbers. They are prime as well as they are having absolute difference, that is 2. For example, if I am taking 11 and 13, both were prime as well as they are having difference of 2. Now see how we are going to do that. I told you earlier about the prime numbers having 2 factors and composite numbers having more than 2 factors. I told you all these things earlier also. Now, twin prime, logic of twin prime I am going to provide you right now. See, num1 I had taken, that is 11. Num2 I had taken, that is 13. I want to find the factors of num1 and num2. That's why presently the factors were 0. Now I want to find the factor of 11 first of all. That's why the factor of 11 will be smaller than 11 in 11 including itself. Now what I have to do, from 1 to 11, one by one I want to divide 11 with the numbers, means with the I. If someone is going to divide it completely, then I want to count that factor, because factors were the numbers who is going to divide our number completely. We have to count the number of factors. After that, I want to count the factors of num2 also with the same process. After finding the factors, I have to check whether both are equal to 2 or not. As well as what I want, the absolute difference should be 2. Means 11 minus 13 will be minus 2. I want to remove this minus. And it becomes plus with the help of ABS. I want absolute difference where negative sign should not be there. Means either I'm having 11, 13 or 13 minus 11. Both were getting plus 2 as absolute difference. Means difference of both of them is having 2. What I have to check? Both should be prime, means 2 factors, and both are having difference, that is 2. Absolute difference, that is 2. If they are having all 3 conditions together, then it is said to be twin prime numbers. Otherwise, not. Now proceeding further. Twisted prime. Twisted by the name itself. Whatever number we are having, we have to twist it, means we have to reverse it. And when we are getting a number, normal number and the reverse number both are prime, then it is said to be twisted prime. For example, 13. The normal 13 is prime and the reverse 31 is also prime number. Then it is said to be twisted prime number. Now see the example. I told you the example and I am here to create the program. But here I am co-linking both the programs. Previously in this way I had created logic of twin prime. That's why one thing required in this logic, that is I want to reverse it. Here I want to reverse it. That's why I'm placing the logic of reverse here. The previously whatever logic I'm having, I'm keeping it here, and whatever now I want, I'm providing, keeping my logic here, so that you can able to understand what type of situation we are having, and according to that we have to proceed our logic. Somehow logics were interrelated. Previously in my previous video, I had told you about how to reverse a number. When I'm telling you about palindrome number, at that moment I told you how to reverse a given number. Now, in this program, what do we want? The factors of first number, then factors of reversed number. But before that, we have to find the reverse of a given number. The logic of reverse we are having. After reversing it, we have to check the factors of reverse, and then if both the factors were equals to 2, then it is said to be twisted prime, else it is not. Somehow, when you are going to create a logic, just keep in your mind that try to dry run it so that you can able to understand whether your program is going it correctly in a correct manner or not. See, if I'm writing here 5 as my first number, and if I'm reversing it, I'm getting 5 only. If I'm writing 11, again I'm getting 11 in reverse also. If I'm writing 13, then in reverse I'm getting 31. How? Firstly, try to reverse it first of all. Original number is num1, that is 13. 13 is greater than 0, yes. REV should be equals to 0. First, in starting REV should be 0. REV is equals to REV into 10 plus digit. Whatever digit we are picking. Means 0 into 10 plus digit. N mod 10 means we are picking the last digit. What is the last digit? It contains, that is 3. Means we are getting right now, that is 3. And n equals to n divided by 10 always contains the question part. Question contain 1. Now our n becomes 1. 1 is greater than 0, yes. Then REV is equals to REV into 10. REV is 3. 3 into 10 plus the last digit. Now, 1 contain a last digit, that is 1 only. Means 30 plus 1, that is 31. In this way, we are getting a reverse. And now, I am finding the factor of reverse and counting the factors. Means from 1 to 31, 1 by 1 I am going to divide my 31. First of all with the 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, up to 31 times I am going to divide it and checking that how many factors 31 is having. If both were having factors 2, then it is said to be twisted prime, else it is not. Try to do these kinds of programs, and if you have any doubt, do consult with me. Otherwise, goodbye and good luck.